Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech with Deepak. Today we will review about upcoming Jeep Renegade car. Jeep Renegade price and launch. Though Jeep has not officially confirmed the Renegade for India, the compact SUV should hit the market either later this year or early 2019. Expect the Jeep Renegade prices to begin from around 10 rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Jeep Renegade engines and transmission. The Jeep Renegade is likely to share its engine options with the Compass in the country. Expect the Renegade to be powered by the 2.0-liter diesel along with the 1.4-liter turbo petrol. A 6-speed manual would be standard, while the Renegade is likely to be offered with the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic with the petrol as well. The Renegade also offers the 9-speed automatic with the 2.0-liter diesel like the upcoming Compass Trailhawk internationally. Jeep Renegade features. The Renegade facelift packs features such as up to 8.4-inch Uconnect infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, panoramic and removable sunroof, driving modes, up to 18-inch wheels, LED head, and tail lamps, among others. Jeep Renegade rivals. The Jeep Renegade would go up against the likes of the Hyundai Creta, Renault Captur, upcoming Renault Duster and the rumored Nissan Kicks. Specification of Jeep Renegade. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement 1,398 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Seating capacity 5. Transmission type automatic. Body type SUV. My video, please subscribe my channel.